Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in Granite Crystal Metallic on black interior. So we'll just run around the back of the Jeep. I'll let you have a look in the rear. So we've got the full soft top. It's only been used a number of times, so it's all there. We've had it out, we've cleaned it. It looks great. Looks like we've got a spare set of wipers over here. You know, we've got the roll bar up here, or speaker bar, and it's got speakers up in there. It's got a light in the center, so that's there. And back here we've got a 12-volt socket, and we'll just go ahead and close this up. So the glass goes in first, and then we swing the tire over, close it up. And on the back we've got these nice LED tail lights. So there's one there, one on this side, so it looks great. We've got the full-size spare on the back of the door, and I'll just step back. We've got the tow hook there on the left corner, looks great. And then the top is a color match, so it's a color match top to the base of the Jeep as well. We'll just swing around. So here's the rear passenger wheel, so no curb rash, no issues, and nice Bridgestone Tubular tires on there, look great. And then here's the rear passenger door, so it's got a nice pocket there for you, and we've got the handle with the lock, and then there's the strap, so if you want to take the door off, the doors do come off. And then there is another seat there that's folded in as well, and you can see how that folds down. So it folds fairly flush, right? So if you wanted to put some cargo in here, you can put a fair amount of cargo. In the center, there's your power window switches down there for the two rear windows. So we've got those, and to let you have a look at this seat here, looks great, perfect. And then we've got a grab handle up there as well. So we'll just close the door, I'll let you have a look. There it is, looks good. And here we are at the passenger side. So again, we've got the nice pocket in the door. We've got power locks on the door. Here's your kick plate, looks good, nice and clean. And here's your passenger seat, so you can see the condition, looks good. Sahara embroidered in the seat, nice baseball stitching around the seat, looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, looks good. And let's have a look. So in the glove box, so we've got the wheel lock here, and we've got the Jeep books here as well. And let's just see which one that is. Perfect. 2017 Wrangler user guide. So that's there. So we'll close that up. And then just beside there, we've got a speaker. We've got this nice grab handle right in the front, Jeep since 1941. We've got the jet style vent over here that flips closed. And we've got the upgraded Alpine stereo. And as you can see, the dash is in great shape. Looks good. So we'll just top out and we'll close this one up. I'll let you have a look down this door here. Looks good. All right, and there it is, Sahara Wrangler Unlimited. And here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, and nice Bridgestone Tubular tires on there. And then here we are under the hood. So we've got the 3.6 liter V6 engine in here, which is 285 horsepower paired to the 5-speed automatic transmission, so lots of power, and it is 4-wheel drive as well. So lots of power, great in the winter, great for off-roading if that's what you like to do. And there it is. So we'll just go ahead and close the hood here. All right. There we are. So here's the hood closed, and we've got these clips on the side. So you put that in there, flip that forward. Same thing over here. So put those two teeth in there, flip that forward. Perfect. So here it is from the front. So we've got the nice LED headlights on the front. We've got fog lights there in the front bumper. So lots of light. We've got the tow hooks here. And let's see, the color match fenders. In terms of issues, we've got one stone chip here that's been touched up. Let's see, outside of that, looks pretty good. Okay, and we'll just swing around this side. So here's the driver's front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues. Looks great with those Bridgestone tires. And same thing back here. Okay, and then in the back here, here's the driver's side rear. So you can see the condition of the door. There it is from this side. Okay, so we'll close that up. And here you are at the driver's side. So again, we've got power locks on the door. The nice pocket for storage, and then there's the kick plate for you, manual recline seat, and nice baseball stitching on the seat there with the Sahara embroidered into the top. So it looks great, and let's just get in and fire this one up. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, looks great, and here we go. Close the door. So there we are. So no warning lights, no issues on the dash. In terms of kilometers, we've got 95,168 kilometers on it. Over here we've got voice commands, we've got phone controls, we've got menu for the menu up here, so you can change between the different settings. And then over here we've got cruise control. So there's your cruise control. Up there you've got your wiper control. There's your headlight and turn signal control. And then here's our radio. So our radio, we'll turn that on. Again, that's the upgraded Alpine stereo. So AM, FM satellite radio. And then where's NAV? Go media. My files, menu, there we go. So menu, nav, map, oh that's just settings, view map, there we go. So there's your full factory navigation built in, and then on this side here we've got a USB port. So if you've got a USB media that you want to play, that's there as well. And then just below that is a auxiliary port as well. And then down here, here's your power windows. So there's your window switches. They go up and down. So for all 4 windows. And then down here, we've got our HVAC controls. We've got heated seats down here. So that's perfect. There's your mirror control to the left of that. Got traction on and off. Let's see, we've got a plug, 120 volt socket there, and then your 12 volt socket over here, and then here's your 4x4 control. So this gear shift, I'm just going to open the door so we get some more light, but there's your gear shift for the 4x4. There's your automatic transmission shifter, emergency brake, cup holders, and then we've got this nice center console there. And we've got USB and 12 volt socket in there, and some other goodies for the top. And then just down here, there's your 120 volt socket. So that switch up here is what turns it on and off. So you can turn the plug on and off. So that's great. And we'll just hop out with this one running, and I'll let you have a look at the lighting there as well. There we go. Turn the fog lights on. So, might be hard to see on the camera, but it's got the nice bright LED headlights there. And then we've got the nice LED fog lights down at the bottom. Looks great. Sounds great, nice and quiet. No dings, no dents, no issues. There's the cool tail lights from the rear. Nice and quiet as it should be. There you have it, folks. 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.